This is a problem when you take a class. And I spent quite a lot of time thinking of these things, because I also followed tradition. I was thinking, I'm a teacher, what am I supposed to do? Well, that's what we do. We sell our time. You look at your 8-hour day, you cut it up into hours. Who wants to buy an hour? That's what they do, really. Who wants to buy an hour of French? But we're selling the wrong thing, is what I believe. So the danger when you buy languages by the hour and they become a regular appointment is that the meaning of your class shifts. And what will happen, you may have experienced this yourself, what will happen is that you turn up for the class, or you might be reminded by your alarm, Tuesday, I have French on Tuesday, it's my class, it's my Tuesday class. Have you noticed how the meaning has shifted? Between the first time you signed up for that class and it becomes your Tuesday appointment, it's not the same meaning. What you produce in the class might have gone slightly downhill. It's not the same class as the first 2 times. And that is a problem with recurring classes. It's not as productive.